So a quick update on Ryan's bike. These stainless bolts I put in here. The headlight was not solid mounted. On the night trains, it's rubber mounted. And it shook so bad with that LED, literally send people into a seizure or something. That thing was bouncing around so bad. So we took all the rubber mounts out of inside. It's made it solid mount, and it's much better. Great riding down the road now. This is the old harness out of Ryan's bike. This is one we added in quite a while ago. It's to make the turn signals work as running lights and everything, and brake lights. This is everything that comes in the new kit. Now, he bought the flat lens style, but it comes with 2 lenses, a bunch of zip tie, some shrink wrap. Really, all you need is this piece, and then I'll show you how. I usually just put it down with 2-sided tape. On Ryan's bike, because he has an alarm system on it, they've got some Velcro tape down there, and then they just secure the antenna with that. And that's also for the, I believe that's for the alarm as well. This goes in line right here. So this is as simple as pushing that little tab in, pops it apart. Done. Basically, plug this in there, plug this one in there. You're basically putting this box in line, and it's got a board in there that makes all the proper connections. And then find somewhere to hide it. Lay these in there. I'm going to zip tie them so they can't go anywhere, and tie it to the main harness there. Should be fine. This is the old cylinder, master cylinder for the rear brakes on my Harley. So we're going to put, I'll show you how I got this one out, put the new one in, and then took all of about 4 or 5 pumps to actually bleed it out, and it was good to go. So we'll have a quick look at that too. So, all done. Got lots of pedal. It's nice and hard, barely moving it. So, literally, it's pretty easy to bleed when you're sitting right here, because you can do the pump and plug the bleeder at the same time. So it went pretty quick. After I figured out what had gone wrong, I tried and tried and tried, and that piece that we put in there, I'll show you over here. So that's the main cylinder. They sell it to you complete like that. What I thought was complete, in actuality, the spring that's in here, which is now in the bike, goes in there that fits in the cylinder, just like so. And there's a spring in here. And then when you put it together and you put that clip on, then that gives your spring action to return the piston after you've applied the brakes. Well, I didn't even think, because I would assume that it was complete. The one I got from Harley did not have a spring in it, so when I pushed it that way, it just sat there. So obviously I couldn't bleed the brake, so I had to take it all apart again and redo it, which really irritates me because, come on man, paid 50 bucks for that, should at least have the spring in it, and not to mention the spring wears. So not too impressed, but hopefully that helps somebody else that ends up doing it. In case you get one, make sure you check it before you throw it back together. Like this one doesn't even look that bad. I don't know why I had no pedal. Couldn't get any pedal really out of it to save my life. Tried bleeding it 100 times, but just worn out, I guess. I guess it's 14 years old, I won't complain. But it would have been nice to have the spring in there, so she's good to go. Might even go for a ride tonight. I don't know, kind of tired, but we'll see. Alright, ride safe. As you can see, Vance and Hines, big radius. Vance and Hines, big radius. So as you can see, this one's got the dent here, and I've damaged that by dragging it around corners umpteen times. So this is just a quick poll to see what you think I should put on this bad boy for some exhaust. So right now, Cobra short shots, or the Vance and Hines short shots is what I'm looking at, or the Cobra Speedsters. So they're nice and they're pretty close to this. Except they're straight and really short, and I like them because I don't think they'll drag in the corners. It's all about the sound though. They sound like shit and tinny. I don't want them. So if anybody has any recommendations, let me know. If I could replace the chrome covers, I think I would, but like these ones sound pretty good, but I really want to get think I want to change it up a bit, so both of the bikes are a little different. So leave your comments down below and we'll see what we come up with.